Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create line chart design on growth of internet usage worldwide with Logarithmic Scale in Figma, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Pick the page background color from the custom color palette. Draw horizontal growth lines with Line tool. Select line color and change the line weight to 0.5, copy and paste here a line for 4 different growth types. Enter growth units using Type tool in Y-axis. Enter year for every 5-year large value gaps horizontally, using Type tool. Draw growing spikes or trends for every 5 years, as shown in the scene. Select the trend, increase the stroke weight to 4, and apply gradient colors left to right, blue and red color from the swatches. Use pointer circles with stroke and gradient colors. Change the stroke weight to 3, for the growing points for all the years. Add graph title and legend indicator using Type tool. Press shortcut key equals T. Thanks for watching.